Sant Kavayo Jaino Athamava. Let it be other Ramayan. Atavava. Let it be, let it not be. Don't care. Yesham Krita Kritishu Na Yeva Maya Vagaha. I only have to take bath in Valmiki, then come home, do the second Shuddhi, Alpa Shuddhi using Kalidasa Vakya. Enough. This was a kavi. My father pulled it out. Somebody called Uttheksha Vallabha. Dhanyo, because today's Father's Day, we have to do this. So, people were crying. So, it's Dukkat Kal. What do I do? My Ram has left me. Nagumomu Kalaleni Najali. Hey Ram, I'm not seeing your face. Nagumomu Kalaleni. I'm not seeing. You're gone. This in Abheri Raga, Bhim plus. Thyagaraja brings it. Nagumomu Kalaleni. I'm not seeing your face. We are not seeing your face. Don't you understand our suffering? Najala telis. You don't understand. Jagamele Paramatma Yavarito. Jagamele Paramatma Yavarito. There's nobody else. Please listen to me. Jagamele Paramatma Yavarito. Muraidu. Whom do I cry? Hey, you have gone. So people, Nagumomu Kalaleni, your charming face. Valmiki says this. Thyagaraja sings in Abheri, mind-melting raga. So people were crying, I'm not seeing Rama's face, his smiling face.